Kundalini Yoga and tips. Awakening your inner energy. Kundalini Yoga is a powerful spiritual practice that combines physical movement, breathwork, meditation, and chanting to awaken the dormant energy at the base of the spine. The yoga of awareness aims to balance the mind, body, and spirit while unlocking your full potential. Whether you're a beginner or looking to deepen your practice, understanding Kundalini Yoga and following essential tips can help harness its transformative benefits. What is Kundalini Yoga? Kundalini Yoga focuses on awakening Kundalini energy, a coiled energy believed to reside at the base of the spine. Through dynamic poses, breath control, pranayama, chanting mantras, and meditation, this energy is guided upward through the chakras to bring a sense of enlightenment, vitality, and peace. Benefits of Kundalini Yoga. 1. Enhanced awareness. Promotes mindfulness and spiritual growth. 2. Improved mental clarity. Reduces stress and enhances focus. 3. Strengthened nervous system. Builds resilience to handle life's challenges. 4. Increased energy levels. Activates and channels your inner energy. 5. Emotional healing. Helps release pent-up emotions and foster inner peace. Essential tips for practicing Kundalini Yoga. 1. Start with an open mind. 1. Approach Kundalini Yoga with curiosity and openness. 2. Let go of preconceived notions to embrace the experience fully. 2. Dress comfortably. 1. Wear loose, breathable clothing to allow free movement. 2. Many practitioners wear white to enhance their aura and focus, though this is optional. 3. Focus on breathwork. 1. Breath control, pranayama, is a cornerstone of Kundalini Yoga. 2. Practice long, deep breaths or specific techniques like breath of fire, which involves rapid, rhythmic breathing through the nose. 4. Practice mantras and chants. 1. Use sacred mantras like Sat Nam, truth is my identity, to anchor your mind. 2. Chanting helps focus the mind and raise your vibrational energy. 5. Embrace meditation. 1. Meditation in Kundalini Yoga often includes mudras, hand gestures, and visualization. 2. Start with short sessions and gradually increase the duration as you build focus. Precautions to keep in mind. 1. Start slowly. If you're new to Kundalini Yoga, begin with beginner-friendly kriyas and gradually increase intensity. 2. Consult your doctor. If you have any medical conditions, consult your doctor before starting. 3. Stay grounded. Kundalini awakening can be intense. 3. Incorporate grounding practices like spending time in nature to balance your energy. Conclusion: Kundalini Yoga is a profound practice that offers physical strength, mental clarity, and spiritual growth. By incorporating these tips and embracing the journey, you can tap into your inner energy and unlock new levels of awareness and vitality.